Hello, my name is Darrell Keel, President of Vacuum Pressing Systems. In this short video, I would like to talk about veneer tape and the three kinds we carry: no-hole, two-hole, and three-hole. The main purpose of veneer tape is to hold individual pieces of veneer together into a sheet for pressing. Usually, cross pieces are wetted and placed over the seam, like this, to pull the veneer joint together. After the seam is pulled tight, one or more pieces is laid down over the entire joint, like this. An alternative approach is to use masking tape temporarily, pulling the joint together, and then putting veneer tape down the seam on the opposite side. Once the veneer tape is dry, remove the temporary masking tape. This method means less veneer tape needs to be removed after pressing your veneer panel. So what's the difference between these three types of veneer tape? These two, no-hole and two-hole, are used in the same way. They are placed on the face side of the veneer and removed after the veneer has been glued down to the substrate. The next question becomes, why use one of these over the other? The no-hole or the two-hole? What is the purpose of the holes in this veneer tape? The answer lies in understanding how the tape will be removed. If the tape will be sanded off, then the holes means a little less sanding. If the tape will be re-wetted, like this, then the holes serve no real purpose. In fact, removing veneer tape by wetting is easier with the no-hole tape, as it holds together better when pulling it off. The two-hole tape tends to break and pull apart. The three-hole tape has a much different function. It can actually be used on the glue side of the veneer. Because this tape has so many holes, the glue can make enough contact with the veneer to allow it to be buried between the substrate and the veneer. This eliminates the need to remove the tape afterwards. Quite labor-saving. There are two considerations, though. One, unlike the no-hole and the two-hole tape, the three-hole veneer tape cannot overlap itself, as this covers the holes needed for the glue bonding of the veneer. Second, commercially sliced veneer has gotten so thin that there is a chance of possible ghosting right through the veneer under certain light reflections. I only use three-hole veneer tape on the backer veneer, the veneer that will go on the side of the panel that is generally not seen, like the back side of a door or the underside of a table. Still, using this tape saves time removing veneer tape from at least one side of your panel. Before we end, I'd like to show you another approach to seaming veneer that doesn't use veneer tape at all. Actually gluing the veneer edges. I will pull the joint together like this with the masking tape. Then place one piece down the seam like this. Fold the veneer joint back on itself and place a fine bead of regular wood glue down the veneer joint. Lay the veneer flat and remove the squeeze out. I'll put one more piece of masking tape down the seam on this side and let the glue set. Once the joint is dry, I remove the masking tape on both sides. There you have it, a nice glued veneer joint. I don't use this technique all the time, but it is a handy alternative to veneer tape in certain circumstances, especially on thicker 1/16 or shop sawn veneers. I hope this short video helped you to understand veneer tape, how it is used, and the different kinds we carry. As always, never hesitate to call us if you have questions about veneer tape or any of our products for that matter. We are always here to help you and answer your questions whenever you would like to give us a call.
OVPS is the best if you want to buy a vacuum press.
Okay, do it again.